Kay ano yun?
Ano yun?
Simonet? Ay, Simonet? Hindi.
May hinting ko dati pa. Bago mag-pandemic.
Bumalik siya. Ayan, punta na tayo sa Royce. Dito tayo ngayon sa parking lot ng Boom. Dito sa may likuran. Kinuha natin yung gamit at sasakyan. Papuntang Royce. Mamaya pa yung event. Mamayang mga 5 to 9. Pero start natin siguro 4 pag may mga tao na.
Dito tayo. Alam mo, it's really a battle between good and why? Buhay natin. At kapag gumagawa po tayo ng ang lagi kong imagination dyan, nagsasucceed yung evil. Pero talagang literal na masayang demonyo. Gusto mo yun? At ako kumikinang ina mo, Nicole. Kailangan ko bang i-memorize yan? This portion will...
Ayan yung Royce. Yan, dyan tayo pupunta sa likuran. Pero dito tayo sa bagong Royce. Yan. Basta ito lang tayo.
Amas ako, papatayin ko. Dear Love, hosted by Robin Chena and Igor New Bicolano.
Dito na tayo sa loob ng Royce. Dito tayo sa New Royce ngayon. Hanap tayo ng pwesto.
You have 7 seconds to change course.
Mamaya pa tayong 5 PM. Pero mamaya pa tayo mag-start. Nagra-raffle. Yan, kape muna tayo guys. Yan, 5 o'clock na.
You have 7 seconds to change costumes and positions. Ready.
Sige po. Ito lang po ha.
Are you ready for the first one? In 5, 4, 3,
Camera.
2, All you gotta do is just meet me at the Great job, but I know you can do better than that. Are you? All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Last one, last one. Isa pa po, isa pa po. Pila po tayo doon. Pila po tayo.
meet me at
Next po. Doon po tayo pila. Para hindi po tayo.
Your photo is now being processed. Next,
Sige po ma'am, doon po.
Pwede po ang dalawang print.
Hindi po siya pwede. Opo. Pero pwede ba yung paulit naman?
Here we go. 5, 4, 3. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Ayan na, ayan na. Third shot, third shot. Ayan, compress lang. Lean inside.
Meet me at the
Last one, last one.
Get ready for your third photo. It's 5, 4, 3. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Last one. Baby Joy, wait, wait. Last.
Once you're finished, please put up the photo stick on the side of the photo. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Usog po tayo. Usog. Last one, last one.
Here we go.
Ayun na. Pasok, compress, compress. Sir, pasok siya.
Meet me at the
Okay.
Great job, but I know you can do better than that.